Hi, I'm Glenn from Agile Equipment. We've done a lot of work with restoration and cleaning professionals, and there are some consistent pain points with disinfecting surfaces. When dealing with water damage, mold, and the like, you're often up against porous surfaces, sensitive environments, time restrictions, and difficult to reach areas. So let's speak today about a product that aims at solving all these problems at once. This is Botanical Decon 30 Surface Disinfectant by Benefect. I'm going to apply some here to the surface and see if I can finish my rundown before the Decon 30 works its magic in only 30 seconds. Decon 30 has a much lower required contact time compared to the typical 10 minutes for other chemicals, which makes it much more reliable for use on vertical surfaces or ceilings. It utilizes Benefect's signature botanical active ingredient, thymol, from essential plant oils. As a result, it's non-toxic, leaves no residue, can be applied without needing to wear PPE, and prevents cross-contamination while still killing bacteria and viruses. 29:30. I got it under. The Botanical Decon 30 has sanitized the surface to a 99% efficiency, in around the same time that I could list its benefits. To increase contact time and use less product, we recommend foaming Decon 30 onto surfaces. By foam spraying, you'll get an even distribution, and the product will adhere to the surface instead of running down the wall or dripping off the surface. If you're in the market for a safe, natural restoration sanitizer like Decon 30, we have them available in large quantities at agileequipment.com.au, or you can give us a call at 1300 092 647. Thanks.